Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Nissan Juke 1.2 litre petrol. Now of course, as standard on this Nissan Juke, you do get your LED daytime running lights. You then, when you come round to the side, get these brilliant painted alloy wheels. Now of course, these are a 17-inch alloy wheel, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. But coming round to the rear now, as you can see, we've got your reversing camera just above the registration plate, just there. Then moving into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including a multi-level boot floor. So as you can see, you simply lift, push back, and it will drop back into place like so, just to ensure more depth in the boot. You've then also got 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your part Alcantara, part cloth interior. As you can see, we've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom with full electric windows all round. Then coming inside the car now, we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your climate control in the front, and then up top we have your touchscreen display. Now this does come with your CD, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth hands-free. You've also got your radio on here as well, as you can see just here. So we do have your various radio sources, so you got FM, AM, DAB. Then you can come back out and go back onto the satellite navigation, which is just there. Then on the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls just on the left here, with your volume up and down and Bluetooth hands-free functions just there. We've then got your cruise control on the right hand side. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has actually done 68,311 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Juke, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.